everyone. Again, this is Chef Deborah. How are you guys? Today, see, as you can see, my hair is still wet. I'm sorry I make this video in a hurry. I did not dry my hair. I did not blow dry because I just finished a keratin treatment because my hair is coming dry and dull. So there is no hydration, It's coming very dry because I always put some hair color. But anyway, today we're not talking about hair color and keratin treatment. I'm here in front of you because I want to finish and posted this video that you are waiting for. Because I have this recipe. This recipe is always in my catering menu. This is one of the choices in my catering menu when I was in the Philippines. This is always chosen as a main dish in my buffet table. Everybody love it. Everybody love this recipe. That's why I want to share to you this recipe. And you know what is the secret of my pasta? I will reveal now what is my secret in this pasta recipe. Everybody making pasta. I know that many people making pasta, Italian pasta, but one of the secrets that I did not forget, one spices that every time I made a pasta, I'll never forget these spices. And you know what is it? I will show you what these secret spices that I will always put inside my pasta. Not everyone putting this, but I always, any kind of pasta that I make, white pasta, Alfredo pasta, chicken Alfredo pasta, or whatever pasta. These spices I always put because this is give more, this different taste if I put these spices. And today we are going to bake baked macaroni. This is a cheesy baked macaroni. I will teach you how to do it. Guys, these spices is a culinary herbs that usually used in every kitchen worldwide, and especially this is very nice with a pasta. This is my secret. That's why my pasta is very different taste. Even in spaghetti, carbonara, whatever pasta you are making, put these herbs and so yummy, very different aroma and taste of your pasta. So what is it? This is the basil leaves, the dried basil leaves or a fresh basil leaves. I'll never forget to put it in any pasta that I cook. Come on, let's go to my kitchen and I want you to try to cook this cheesy baked macaroni in your home. So, let's go. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's start cooking now. For the ingredients, we need the 6 cups of water to boil the pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 ml of oil, 500 grams of macaroni pasta. Cook it until al dente. And for the ingredients of the Italian sauce, also we need 50 ml of oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 minced onion, 150 grams of minced chicken breast. Of course, we need to saute and cook the chicken first. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried basil leaves, 380 grams of Italian pasta sauce. For more chicken taste, so I add 2 cubes of chicken broth cubes. The Italian sauce is ready. You can put now the cooked macaroni pasta inside the sauce. Just mix all together until evenly distributed the sauce. Now it's ready. Just set aside until we make the bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce, we need 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of all-purpose flour. So in making a roux, the ratio of this flour and butter is 1:1. Then add the 500 ml of milk. Just mix all together. Make sure no lumps of flour inside the sauce. So continue mixing by the whisk. Always love to put 100 grams of green peas. You can add now 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Just continue mixing until all the ingredients are incorporated. The cheesy bechamel sauce is ready. I spoon some bechamel sauce into the pasta. Now I ready 2 ceramic baking dish. I will put now the pasta in the baking dish. I know this pasta is enough for 2 baking dish. Press little bit the pasta into the ceramic baking dish. Then add on top the bechamel sauce. Also, I prepare 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. I want to put it on top of the pasta so that it becomes more cheesier taste. Once ready, bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes inside the oven. Now our cheesy macaroni pasta is ready. Wow, I cannot wait. Let's see. I'll just try to take it out from the dish. Oh, it's very nice taste and delicious, really. I like it. You can share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And guys, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded new baking and cooking video. See, I want to show you, it's still very hot. Oops! It's pulled down. See? It's still very hot. This pasta. It's very nice and so delicious. Very cheesy taste. Usually making this pasta whenever I have catering before. This is one of the main dishes that I have in my buffet. And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy cooking with me.